In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create breaklines in AutoCAD. Drawing breaklines is a fundamental skill in AutoCAD, and it brings a level of precision and clarity to your engineering or architectural drawings. Whether you're drafting a detailed map or a structural sketch, a clean and concise breakline can make all the difference in representing the intended visual break in a drawing. Let's dive right into it. Now, you might already know that a break line can be manually drawn using the line function. This involves drawing it yourself entirely, point by point. While this method gives you a certain level of control, it can be a bit tedious and might not always result in the most consistent outcome, especially if you're doing this repeatedly across multiple drawings. Fortunately, AutoCAD provides a built-in break line function that simplifies this process and ensures uniformity. To get started, type Breakline into the command line and then hit Enter. This will activate the Breakline tool, a nifty feature that automates much of the task for you. Next, you'll need to establish where you want this breakline to begin. So go ahead and click on the first point of your breakline. Once you've done that, select the second point, which will define the end of your breakline. This is essentially setting the length and orientation of the breakline. Now, you can choose the exact location along this line where you'd like the break symbol to appear. If you have a specific point in mind, click on that spot. However, if you're aiming for the midpoint, there's no need for an extra click. Simply pressing Enter will default the breakline symbol to the midpoint of the line you defined. It's a convenient feature that ensures you're always getting a well-centered break if that's your intention. And just like that, you have your breakline. It's a straightforward process, isn't it? Using AutoCAD's Breakline tool not only saves time, but also guarantees that your breaklines are consistently neat and professional every time. If you're working on a more complex drawing, remember to use layers effectively and maintain an organized workspace. This can greatly enhance your workflow efficiency. Also, familiarize yourself with other built-in functions in AutoCAD, as they can be real time savers, making your work significantly easier and more consistent. So go ahead and give this a try on your next project. With practice, you'll find yourself very comfortable in creating accurate and precise breaklines to enhance your drawings. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Stay tuned for more AutoCAD tips and step-by-step guides. Happy drafting!